Top 10 beautiful and cute cats in the world. Number 10. Persian cat. Persian cat is famous for its long, fluffy fur, round face, and big, innocent eyes. Sitting calmly, this cat looks like a soft cloud of cuteness. Its royal personality makes it truly adorable. Number 9. British Shorthair. With a thick plush coat and chubby cheeks, the British Shorthair looks just like a teddy bear. Round face and calm attitude make it one of the cats in the world. Number 8. The Ragdoll cat is known for its eyes and silky, soft fur. With a relaxed and loving expression, this cat melts hearts wherever it goes. Number 7. Scottish Fold. Those folded ears and big round eyes give the Scottish Fold the cute baby-like face. It looks sweet, curious, and irresistibly charming. Number 6. Maine Coon. What cat breeds? The Maine Coon has a long tail, strong body, and a majestic yet friendly appearance. Big in size, but even bigger in cuteness. Number 5. Bengal cat. The Bengal cat stands out with its shiny leopard pattern fur. Its playful and energetic movements make it look wild, stylish, and super attractive. Number 4. Siamese cat. With a slim body, deep blue eyes, and an elegant posture, the Siamese cat looks stylish and intelligent. Its beauty is simple yet powerful. Number 3. Birman cat. The Birman cat has white paws, cream-colored fur, and a gentle, sweet face. It looks calm, loving, and very graceful. Number 2. Exotic Shorthair. This cat looks like a living cartoon. With a flat face and big round eyes, the exotic Shorthair is full of cute expressions and playful charm. Number 1. Turkish Angora. At number 1, the Turkish Angora shines with its pure white silky fur and graceful angel-like beauty. Elegant, cute, and magical. This cat truly deserves the top spot. Which cat is your favorite? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.